Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting news. I'm showing you guys a 2021 custom Jeep Wrangler. This is a Black Widow edition. This is a special edition that my dealership customized through one of our partners, and it is totally awesome. And I'm just gonna walk around to it because on the other side of the Jeep, I'll show you guys exactly what we did to it. But as you can see up front, you can tell on this vehicle that the bumper's different. You actually have green tow hooks, which is cool. That's not how they come. This is a custom black grille. Then you get around to these 35-inch tires, which are so meaty. You've got a 2-inch suspension on it. You've got a 2.5-inch Fox shock on it. Look at how cool this is. So the wheel's really cool. The tire's awesome. Having 35s is really neat. You've got the Black Widow right here. Then you've got these special edition Black Widow rock rails step bars as well. This is in the Sarge green, and this is one mean machine. 3.6 V6 engine. We didn't upgrade the engine. Eventually, we will actually be doing Demon engines in these, so we'll have some Wranglers with ridiculous power. You've got your Wrangler right here. Got our camera still right here. Sweet looking. This vehicle is brought to us by SCA Performance. There they are right there. They're the ones who did it. All the upgrades come with a 336 warranty on it too, so you're not out of luck like you would be if you were to get this designed at Joe's Custom Lift Shop or something like that. So what we have here, guys, is we have 2-inch suspension system, 2.5-inch performance shocks, 18-inch black off-road wheels, 35s. We had to recalibrate the speedometer, stainless steel side steps with the Spider logo. Then we have custom leather interior. We've got the LED lights, interior lights, which is cool, so you can see some red interior on that. Stubby front grouper bumper, accent paint on the interior and also on the tow hooks, suspension accents and fender vents, matte grille, the black grille, black Jeep factory logo replacement, stamped steel hood, rear hinge gate reinforcement. We had to move relocate the bracket for the spare, tinted front windows, SCA Performance windshield snipe, and then we have the premium Black Widow SCA exterior badge, and it's got a 336. So this Jeep's $70,410.50. I will pay the 50 cents for you. And also, while we're here, guys, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm going for 1,000. I'm about halfway there. And what you guys may not know is once I get to 1,000, I can actually start monetizing, which would help me and my family, and I would really appreciate it and love if you guys would do that. All right, let's check out the custom interior, guys. So custom interior. So our seats are very cool looking. We've got the Widow right here. Then we've got this super cool leather interior. And then we look here, we have our... If you look here, guys, this is painted, so this does not come from the factory like this. This is definitely custom, so they did everything pretty much green across the dash, all the way down, and then down to here too. So that is super cool. Then you have your red LED lights down here. Very sweet. And then let's jump in this and we'll check out everything else. We've got our driver's information center, which will tell us how fast we're going. It'll tell us the PSI on the tires and a few other pieces of information regarding the vehicle. Off-road, which way we're leaning on our drivetrain, and then we have our pitch and roll feature, fuel economy, and a few other things in there too. A cool little Jeep in the background there for our screen there, and then a few other things. Then we come to our touchscreen radio. We have AM/FM satellite radio. We have Bluetooth. We've got dual zone temp control systems. We have heated seats, heated steering wheel. We've got a backup camera, and that's all good stuff. I love the heated seats. I love the heated steering wheel. Then we get down to this part too, where we have our controls for our heat again and our heated steering wheels and wheel and seats. And then down here, we have our power windows and everything like that. A couple auxiliary switches down here too. But I'm super impressed with how this came out. This is all painted. Looks incredible. This is a very, very sweet Jeep. I'm gonna jump, I'll show you guys that second row so we can get a look. Second row is really impressive as well. Has this same leather interior. I'll move this stuff real quick. Plenty of space for everybody to ride in. These seats do fold down, which is great. And then let's check out the back. Plenty of space back here, guys. Also, we can see we have Alpine sound package on this, which is great. Great sound package. And you can take this top off. This is the 3-piece Freedom top, so you can take just the front 2 pieces off if you want, or you can take all 3 off and really get the full effect of the Jeep Wrangler. But it's so cool. My dealership's just starting to get into customizing Jeeps with other partners, and we're going to be having a lot of really cool products coming out very soon. In fact, I have another Jeep that has a 3.5-inch lift on it that I'll be doing a video on shortly as well. But guys, this vehicle is available, so if this catches your eye and you're interested, definitely reach out. And if you saw something you liked, hit that like button. I appreciate it, guys. If you have specific questions, please let me know. You guys have a great day.